This Comfy node is so simple, I had no idea it even existed. But now that I do, I can't live without it anymore. This video is going to be a quickie. I'm just going to show you how to get this node. Let's check it out. Oh, and do you know why monsters don't eat ghosts? Because they taste like sheet. AI. So I'm currently running Animative inside of Comfy UI. I have this woman walking here. I'm going to run this in 768 by 768. I got a couple of control nets. I got a depth map. I got a pose estimator here. And what I want to talk about is this little thing up here. So inside of Comfy, I have this mirror that measures the CPU usage, RAM usage, GPU usage, and most importantly, VRAM usage. Now, the actual render hasn't really started yet. We're still at the post estimation step, and the VRAM is about 27%, you can see up here. And once this starts rendering, the VRAM is going to go up. And the cool part about it is I can monitor real time how much my GPU is working. Well, it's going to be working at 100%, obviously, but how many gigabytes are going to be used? Because then I know how much I can push instead of just going higher and higher until it breaks and I go out of memory. I can see, oh, I'm now at 50% or 75% or 90% of the VRAM usage. It gives me a rough estimate of how advanced or detailed animations I can do. So that is pretty freaking cool. And that's not just available for like animations. Anything in Comfy, whatever you do, you're gonna get the usage data up here. Now, once we got into the rendering step here, you can see it just started, so we're still at 0% here. Our VRAM usage has increased to 57%, and I'm using a 24 gigabytes RTX 4090, so this should be about, well, 14-ish gigabytes. And that is about, how many frames? It's 768 by 768, and well, you can see there's a lot of frames going on here. So it's going to take a while to run this. But I now know that I'm only using 60% of the VRAM. So if I wanted to, I could increase the frame numbers by quite a lot. I could increase the resolution. I still have some room to grow with my GPU here. And this is an extension that you can find through the manager. And if you go here, install custom nodes, you're going to find it under CrusTools. So when it says it, you can see the progress bar and time elapsed. Also, you can see metadata and compare between two images, compare between two JSONs, show any value to console display pipes and more. This provides a better node to load images, previews, and etc. and see hidden data, but without loading a new workflow. So you're not only getting this little thing here, but you're also getting a lot of nodes, as you can see in CrusTools here. So I'm not going to delve deeper into what's going on here. I'm merely interested in this usage meter. You also get a convenient little progress bar here. And if you're outside, let's say you have a great big workflow and you have no idea what's going on, you can check the active node by pressing this little progress bar. So you get straight to this one. Sometimes you have these big workflows and you have no idea where in the workflow you are. It's kind of convenient just being able to press that. If you want to learn more, check out the GitHub where you have information about all this stuff. It also talks about all the specific nodes that you can load if you want to really dig deep into what CrusTools is all about. But honestly, I'm mainly interested in this because this is amazing. I said this was going to be a quickie, so as always, have a good one. See ya.